Hi everyone, welcome to the best resource online. Have you built projects but feel stuck when it is time to deploy them to a real server? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this course, I will teach you deployment in a simple, practical and step-by-step way. First, you will understand how server works. Next, you will see how the request response lifecycle works. Finally, you will learn how Nginx handles traffic. Once you understand the basics, it is time to move to the cloud. You will learn how to create an AWS account, launch an EC2 instance, configure security group, and properly set up your server. After that, we will move on to installing Git and Node.js. Next, we'll set up your project and run it. Next, we'll install and configure Nginx, set up reverse proxy, connect a custom domain, and install a free SSL certificate including automatic renewal. To finish, I will introduce you to CI/CD and walk you through setting up GitHub Actions to automatically deploy your project to production. By the end of this course, you will be confident deploying real-world projects on your own. Ready to level up? Join the course to deploy your project today. See you in the class.